Welcome back to the Drift Trike build. Today, this is part 4. And today, here with us we have Jackson, my brother.
Say hi, Jax.
Hi!
Alright. We also have a special treat for you today. We got the Gov'na. Tell them about the Gov'na.
Basically, yesterday my papa came down and he wanted to do some welding here.
He's helping us out.
And so we let him weld all the Drift Trike pieces together. And yeah, we got a welding montage of that.
Welding montage.
And so today...
So what are we going to do today?
Yeah, what we're going to do, the main people, we're going to be working on the butt of the Drift Trike.
We're going to work on the back end where the frame comes out and bends back to meet up to the axle and the bearings are going to be hanging there.
Yeah. Also, you guys are probably going to see it in the shot. We did go down and we got the seat for the Drift Trike.
We did get the seat. Went and picked that up. And
also, you guys are going to see the sweet motor we got with one cylinder.
So we kind of got everything mocked up right now as we wait, and we're going to see with that rear swing arm thing we got. And so you guys will get to see that today. And I'm going to try something that I've seen on the internet. And we're going to see how that works out. We're just going to see. We're going to give it a shot.
Basically cutting some pieces and bending metal to make a 90-degree angle.
Cutting pieces, bending metal. That's what we're all about here on
basically all we've done.
On Make It Build It. So, all right.
We also throw rocks at plants.
Hey, Jax, tell everybody right there what they need to do.
Hit that like button.
Hit that like button.
And subscribe and hit the notification bell down below.
All right, guys. Hey, we're going to get started. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yep. Well, bye.
All right, we got the man, the myth, the legend. We got Papa Gov down here showing us what's up. I'm just glad you're off work so you can come here and weld my stuff.
Well, it's fun if you're doing it for something more.
Really cool from the inside.
Oh, yeah. Ta-da.
So I just finished breakfast. Dad drew some lines to mark the cuts. Now we're going to actually start doing stuff.
All right.
I'm going to go get my headphones.
Right there. If you know me in person and this actually works the way I want it to, I'm probably going to brag about this for a long time, just so you know.
Alright, let me get my goggles. Safety second.
It's a hot one today.
Yeah. This is the hottest day of the year. the shed, it really feels like it. Like there's no gosh darn insulation. So yeah, how does this work?
We're gonna bend it over, and this is gonna curve around this,
Don't break the metal.
and then it'll bend. And then once it gets to 90 degrees, we're gonna weld it along here to hold it in shape. All right, let's.
What?
Ready?
Yeah. The man of, not steel, but the man of flesh. Strongness. Wow, that was loud.
All right, Russ. Let's see if we got it.
All right, guys, the moment of truth.
Oh yeah, we're over. You in front of the camera?
Let me see.
Yeah, buddy.
The great thing about the welding helmet is it has this giant viewing range. So the best thing about that big viewing range is, hold on, just let me show you guys. This giant viewing range means that we can actually put the phone, or you guys, inside this so that you won't just see a big blue light. You'll actually see the copper melting down onto the metal. I know some of you guys want to see that. I know most of you want to. So you guys are going to like it. Okay, so right now we're working on a way to hold it in this 90-degree angle. Okay, so it turns out it's not copper, it's actually just alloy. Here we go. Ready? But he had his hand covered in it. You couldn't see him. Good.
That should. Let's stick one in the middle.
That was short.
Attack.
It's attacking. Ready?
Now put one in the middle.
Okay.
Now.
Wait, Tyler, this time.
Wait.
Can you guys see the smoke?
Oh my goodness.
And yeah,
There it is. 90 degrees.
the triangle square has proven itself. Alright, so we just finished bending this thing, tacking it up. You guys saw that. Now it's time to weld it. Ready?
Here it goes. Let's start with it.
So we actually tried recording with the phone in the helmet. Unfortunately, it didn't look like we thought it would. It did give us a green light, but it just looked the same as the camera, so we didn't actually record it, or we didn't actually put it into the video. I almost forgot. We need to do our annual, oh look, y'all see the smoke? Okay, look. Alright, it gets hot here, but let's see where it really gets hot. Ah, right here, here. We are cutting a channel that will connect to the rest of the frame. Hit it! go ham on it. Hot metal. Alright, so we just finished welding and cutting everything up. And right now I am currently sitting in the most accurate representation of what the drift trike's going to look like. See, right behind me, we have the motor, the sickle motor that I was telling you guys about. We have the axles, and you might be wondering why we have these. Well, see here we have some super racing tires. We don't actually want those since with those we can't drift since they have too much grip. And yesterday we went out, it took us forever, and we got this seat, water hose, so that this thing doesn't get ruined. We got the big tire. I can actually kind of turn it, but I cannot since the motor is not mounted onto this. So it's just, we kind of just set it down, but you guys can see that I can turn it. Just not a lot.
So here's that bin we just worked on.
Here, I'll take the camera.
All right.
Give me this, my camera.
Okay, so you see what that bin was for now. I gotta weld it to the main spine of the frame, and it's gonna come out. And the reason the axle's way back here right now is we gotta drill the holes to go through this square tube, and the axle's gonna go through about right here, just barely behind the sprocket for the motor. So we're gonna cut out a channel, bless you, and then fill it in, and then these bearings are gonna sit on the outside. Drill some holes. We'll plug it so that, or sleeve it so that we won't be able to crush
Let's
it.
get a shot of the man in the seat.
And then
I didn't bring my wide-angled
be good with
lens.
the rear. Oh my gosh! Oh, Russ, it's hot.
Yeah, it is burning up outside.
And in here.
And in here, definitely in here.
All right, that's pretty close.
All right, well, let's go to the outro.
So,
So,
long day.
very
Hot.
long, hot day.
Yeah.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
Okay.
really
we should have
hot.
done more stuff in the morning.
We tried. All right.
I know, but of course we had to eat breakfast.
What did we do today?
Video.
Today, we made the back axle part,
Uh-huh.
and next episode, we're going to make the seat mount. And then maybe, hopefully, start on the foot mount, the footrest.
Yep. The arms that come up for the foot pegs.
I always get splinters when I sit here.
Okay. Well,
Jackson, what
hope
do
you
they
guys
gotta do?
enjoyed the video.
Hit the like button.
And subscribe and hit the notification bell down below.
Come back.
Remember, in the comments, tell us next time would you like to get a lot of close range, long range, or up above.
Okay. All right, that's fair. Yeah.
And let's have a challenge. Let's see if we can get 20 likes
All right.
in 2 days.
20 likes in 2 days. We gotta find some friends. If
Yeah.
you guys like this video, share it with your friends. All right. Tell people about us.
And then make sure your friends tell your other friends. It's just, we're gonna grow.
Yep. Hopefully we'll grow.
Yeah, more.
It's all depending on you guys.
Yeah.
Jackson,
Jackson,
Huh.
say what's the channel?
What's the channel?
make it, build it.
Where we make stuff and build stuff.
All right. Don't forget to go check out Russ's time ticker page. He's got his own YouTube page playing video
Link in the
games.
Description down below.
All right.
Come back.
Jackson, tell everybody we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
Ah!